Day 15. Getting started, foundation. These first few days will help build a foundation of basic fitness habits, with a focus on warming up, stretching, and learning the basics of exercises. Day 1. Introduction and warm-up routine fitness tip. Always warm up before starting any workout. This prevents injury and gets the body ready. Workout. 5-10 minutes of dynamic stretches, arm circles, leg swings, hip rotations, 3 sets of 30-second light cardio. Jogging in place or jumping jacks. Day 2. Basic full body workout. Bodyweight, fitness tip. Start with bodyweight exercises for the foundation of strength training. Focus on proper form. Workout. 3 sets of 10 squats, 3 sets of 10 push-ups, knee push-ups if needed, 3 sets of 10 glute bridges, 3 sets of 20-second plank. Day 3. Active rest, light movement, fitness tip. Rest doesn't mean being inactive. Focus on stretching and mobility. Workout. 15 minutes of yoga or stretching, e.g., cat-cow stretch, downward dog, seated forward fold. Day 4. Lower body focus, legs and glutes, fitness tip. The lower body is important for overall strength and stability. Workout. 3 sets of 12 lunges, each leg, 3 sets of 15 squats, 3 sets of 20 glute bridges, 1-minute wall sit. Day 5. Upper body focus, arms and chest, fitness tip. Focus on upper body exercises to balance out your workout. Workout. 3 sets of 10 push-ups, 3 sets of 12 tricep dips, use a chair, 3 sets of 15 arm circles, small to big, 1-minute plank. Day 6-10. Building strength and endurance. Gradually increase intensity and volume. Add exercises to strengthen core and increase endurance. Day 6. Cardio day fitness tip. Cardio is crucial for improving heart health and endurance. Workout. 30 minutes of low-impact cardio, brisk walking, step touch, or jumping jacks. Day 7. Full body workout, bodyweight circuit, fitness tip. Full body workouts improve functional strength. Workout. 3 sets of 10 squats, 3 sets of 10 push-ups, 3 sets of 15-second side planks. Each side, 3 sets of 20 glute bridges. Day 8. Active rest, stretching and mobility, fitness tip. Flexibility is important for overall movement and injury prevention. Workout. 20 minutes of deep stretching, hip openers, shoulder stretches. Day 9. Core and abs focus fitness tip. A strong core is key to overall fitness. Workout. 3 sets of 20-second plank, 3 sets of 12 bicycle crunches, 3 sets of 15 leg raises, 3 sets of 12 Russian twists, each side. Day 10. Lower body strength fitness tip. Strong legs support overall body movement. Workout. 3 sets of 12 lunges, each leg, 3 sets of 15 glute bridges, 3 sets of 30-second wall sits, 3 sets of 10 jump squats. Day 11-20. Progressing the workouts now, introduce more variety and challenge in terms of reps and sets. This will help build more muscle strength and cardiovascular fitness. Day 11. Upper body and core focus fitness tip. Balance upper body with core work to avoid muscle imbalances. Workout. 3 sets of 12 push-ups, 3 sets of 15 tricep dips, 3 sets of 30-second plank, 3 sets of 12 bicycle crunches. Day 12. Cardio challenge fitness tip. Increase your cardio session to boost endurance. Workout. 30 minutes of steady state cardio, jogging in place, stair climbing, or high knees. Day 13. Lower body strength challenge fitness tip. Increase intensity as you progress, adding new variations to exercises. Workout. 4 sets of 15 squats, 3 sets of 20 lunges, each leg, 3 sets of 20 glute bridges, 2 sets of 1-minute wall sits. Day 14. Active rest fitness tip. Active recovery is just as important as the workouts themselves. Workout. 15 minutes of yoga or stretching focusing on the hips and legs. Day 15. Full body workout fitness tip. Incorporating total body movements boosts calorie burn. Workout. 3 sets of 10 push-ups, 3 sets of 15 squats, 3 sets of 12 tricep dips, 3 sets of 20 glute bridges, 3 sets of 15 bicycle crunches. Day 21-30. Advanced challenges during this phase, increase intensity and representative count. The goal is to prepare for more challenging exercises. Day 21. Core and abs challenge fitness tip. Focus on building strength in your core for better posture and movement. Workout. 4 sets of 30-second planks, 3 sets of 20 bicycle crunches, 3 sets of 15 leg raises, 3 sets of 20 Russian twists. Day 22. Cardio intensity fitness tip. Elevating your heart rate through cardio will improve stamina. Workout. 30 minutes of higher intensity cardio. Jumping jacks, running in place, or stair sprints. Day 23. Lower body endurance fitness tip. Add more volume to leg exercises to boost lower body endurance. Workout. 4 sets of 20 squats, 4 sets of 20 lunges, each leg, 3 sets of 30-second wall sits, 3 sets of 20 glute bridges. Day 24. Full body HIIT fitness tip. High intensity interval training, HIIT, improves strength and burns fat. Workout. 20 minutes of HIIT, e.g., 30 seconds of jumping jacks, 30 seconds of rest. Repeat. Day 25. Upper body focus fitness tip. Focus on upper body exercises to keep a balanced body workout. Workout. 4 sets of 12 push-ups, 3 sets of 20 tricep dips, 3 sets of 15 arm circles, 1 minute plank. Day 26. Active rest, stretching and yoga. Fitness tip. Recovery helps to reduce muscle soreness and improve flexibility. Workout. 20 minutes of yoga. Focus on hips, shoulders, and back. Day 27. Total body burn fitness tip. Combining strength and cardio helps burn fat and build muscle. Workout. 3 sets of 12 squats, 3 sets of 10 push-ups, 3 sets of 15 lunges, 3 sets of 20 glute bridges. Day 28. Core and balance fitness tip. A strong core improves posture and balance. Workout. 4 sets of 30-second plank, 3 sets of 15 Russian twists, 3 sets of 12 leg raises, 3 sets of 10 Superman holds. Day 29. Challenge day, full body, fitness tip. Challenge yourself with all the exercises you've learned. Workout. 20-minute total body circuit, squats, push-ups, lunges, glute bridges, plank. Day 30. Reflection and active rest fitness tip. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and keep moving forward. Workout. 15 minutes of stretching or yoga. Reflect on your journey and accomplishments. Additional tips. Hydration. Drink water before, during, and after workouts. Rest days. Ensure you're getting enough sleep for muscle recovery. Consistency. The key to success in any fitness challenge is consistency. Stick to your workouts, and results will come. Nutrition. Eating a balanced diet is essential for supporting your fitness goals. Focus on whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats.